Hey everyone, it's Rita. So today I'm participating in the Winter Bathroom Vignette Challenge hosted by Saving with Mrs. V. I'll be linking her channel below along with the playlist so you can check out what everyone else came up with. So today I've created a tiered tray and I've decorated it, and the rules were that you just needed to use some type of winter decor, whatever means winter to you. So with all that being said, let's get right to my video. Okay, so I'm going to start out with some gold bling wrap. I was going to use this, but changed my mind. I'll be using these napkin rings from Dollar Tree, as well as 2 of these charger trays. Now I'm going to use 5 napkin rings, and I'm going to wrap the bling wrap around them, and then I'll be gluing those together to make the stand between the trays. And here I'll use a combination of E6000 and hot glue to glue these 5 napkin rings together. Then I will glue them to the center of the tray, the top and bottom, to connect them. I did measure to get the center of the tray, but I still managed to get it off center. But it's okay, once you get your decor on, you really can't tell. Now I've just put some weight on it to hold it in place until it dries. I'm going to use some of this gold metallic paint and paint a couple of these stars or snowflakes rather, from Dollar Tree. I also went in on one of the branches and used the gold, but it really didn't show up that well. So we'll be going in on that greenery with some white acrylic paint also. ornaments, little Christmas trees. There's one Dollar Tree pick up there in the corner. I think this turned out super cute. Of course I can't light my candles being on the bottom, but they're just for decor. So I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY today. Thank you, Mrs. V, for hosting this challenge. I really enjoyed putting this together for my bathroom. You guys be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist. Thanks to my subscribers for your continued support. Thank you to everyone watching today, and I will see you in my next video.